Hi guys, hope you are fine and all are doing well. So I was just reading one thing 5 minutes before. So this is about the infrastructural project which is going and will happen in Europe. This is about the train project, and that train project is called Turin-Lyon high-speed train project. This train project is basically expected to be completed in 2032, and this train project, high speed train project, will connect two beautiful cities. One of Italy is Milan, and one of France, which is Paris. And the most fascinating thing is that right now the travel time is around 7 hours. So it will decrease the time to 3 hours. It means the traveling hours will be 4 hours. This is the fascinating thing, and the train journey will be through the Alps and through the tunnel. And the most fascinating thing is that its aim is not only to improve the freight, but also is aimed to facilitate the customer and give them more comfort. So one thing about this project is that obviously in any development project there must be some hurdles. One hurdle about is the French town Milan, which will be obviously affected by this train project. But this project is going on, and hopefully this project will be completed in 2032, and people of Europe will be benefited. Thank you.